The morning report for the 3rd of June 2011. We had a bad day on market yesterday, and certainly when I was calling to go flat yesterday, I got that one completely wrong. We saw the US market dip on the 2nd of June evening, 2%, and our market did follow suit. And the news that came through was of threefold. What we saw is poorer results in the economic recovery in the US. This is of concern. The housing market was also a little bit under the weather as well in the US, and that's caused concern. And we also saw the Greece debt get dropped in ratings to pretty much junk bond status. People are now predicting that Greece will go broke and certainly default on some of its government debt. Now, this is obviously a big concern worldwide, and the market has seen as an opportunity to fear, panic, and jump out. To me, that's an opportunity to get back in the market and certainly buying some stocks that look very cheap. Now, keep in mind the ASX 200 closed at 4,600 yesterday. Last week, it was around the 4,680 points mark. So it's still up in the trading range of 4,800 to 4,500. And we have been expecting these dips and volatility will come through at certain points. If you look at the intraday trading, all the losses were in the early part of the trade. It dropped from 4,780 down to 4,700. Almost off the bat, within the first 15 minutes of trade. It pretty much sat there all day before it dwindled away a little bit towards the end of the day as people got a little bit cautious and nervous, I guess, as the markets were closing. For me, it's a good opportunity to pick up the big quality stocks, paying good dividend yields, buy the good businesses. They will be there in the long term and the growth will come. Obviously, back home here in Australia, there's still some concerns regarding government policy, high Australian dollar, and lower coal exports over the last quarter. GDP was also negative, and I think you're going to see some more downgrades coming through during the reporting season, which will start shortly for the end of financial year. Now, that's going to play in our market a little bit and give an opportunity to pick up some quality stocks. Keep in mind, it's a long-term game. We certainly don't want to look at short-term gains in this market. It is too difficult. Buy the quality, buy the income, and certainly the growth will come in the next 2 to 3 years. For any questions or queries, please go to our website at greywealth.com.au.